MapMaker uses a system of graphic styles to determine the appearance of objects. Each object can have its own style definition, or it can make use of a library of predefined styles. Using the Edit tool, click on a polygon in the live layer and it goes into edit mode. The Manager is replaced with the Edit Polygon panel that allows you to edit the attributes of the polygon. Open the Style panel. The project style set is displayed. Because this object is a polygon, it just displays the styles for polygons. You can choose from any of the predefined polygon styles. At this point, you can quit editing either by clicking on the Finish button or else by clicking anywhere on the map. Alternatively, you can customize the predefined style. Select the polygon again. Click on the Customize tab. Clicking on the Fill Style drop-down box, we can choose from a range of hatch and symbol types to fill the polygon. For instance, select Right Sloping Hatch. The preview now shows the fill with the hatch lines. Clicking on the Fill Color button allows you to change the background color to the hatch fill. And you can change the opacity of the background. The Hatch tab lets you adjust the color, width, line style, opacity and spacing of the hatch lines. If you click on the tab for a second hatch line, you can specify an alternate line style and spacing. The Border tab is used for setting the style of the polygon's border. It has the same options as the hatch lines. You can set the color and the width. But in addition, you can set the background line to have an extra width. In effect, it creates a line with edge lines, such as you might use for a road, or if you use a dashed line for the main line, then the background line determines the color for the gaps in the dashed line. Returning to the Fill tab, you have the option to apply an edge band. An edge band is a coloured strip around the inside edge of a polygon, which typically is translucent. You can set the width, the opacity and the colour. If you choose the edge band graded option, then the opacity gradually reduces to 0 the further that it is away from the boundary. Having customised the style, if you think that you might need the same style for other polygons, then you can use the Save as New Style button. Give the new style a name. If you now use the Edit tool on another polygon, the new style can be selected from the list of predefined styles. Another way to use the style of one polygon for another polygon is to use the Picker tool. Place the cursor over the polygon that uses a style that you want to copy. Press down the mouse button, then drag the cursor to be over another polygon in the live layer. Release the mouse button and the first polygon style is applied to the second polygon. If you now simply click on a third polygon, then that style is also applied to that polygon, and so on. The Picker tool can also be used with the legend. Click on the Legend button at the top. Place the cursor over an item in the legend. Hold the mouse button down and drag to a polygon in the live layer and release. As before, if you click on another polygon, the same style will be applied. By default, the legend shows the polygon styles in the current project style set. The project style set can be edited from the manager. Open the project panel. If the project styles menu item is displaying the words System Styles, then it means that your current project does not have its own project style set, but is using a default style set that is used by all new projects. To create a project style set, open the Project Styles menu. Then open the Import Style Set submenu and click on Import the current system style set. This attaches a copy of the system style set to this project. You can now edit this copy without damaging the original system style set. Open the Project Styles menu again and click on the Edit Project Style Set. On the right hand side, you can see all of the styles in the style set. There are separate tabs of polygon styles, line styles, point styles, and text object styles. If you select a polygon style, then the left side of the editor shows the style definition for the selected style, in this case buildings. You can specify a new style name. If you want, you can add additional descriptive text that will appear under the name in any legend. Optionally, you can set a style number. The style number is simply a way for you to put styles into your own categories. For instance, if you give this style a number of 4, then in the search box you could specify a range of style numbers that included 4. All the styles in the range are displayed. The Definition tab displays the same options as when editing the style of an individual polygon. The arrow keys next to the style set can be used to reorganize the style list. You can also use the cut and paste buttons to move one or more styles up or down the list, or use the copy and paste to duplicate a style. If you select 3 or more styles, then you can specify certain aspects of the styles in the form of a consistent range of values. For instance, with polygon styles you can create a range of fill colours. Click on the Start Colour button and you can specify the colour at the start of the range. Then click on the Finish Colour button to specify the end of the range. You now have a set of fills with a spectrum of colours between the two end colours. You can specify a style name and include within it a serial number by using the hash sign. Here I've used hash plus 10 to create a set of numbers starting at 10. 10, 11, 12. There are other settings that you can modify. For instance, if you choose a hatch style, such as a right sloping hatch, you might set the start and finish hatch spacing. You can import styles from other style sets. Click on the Import button to choose a style set. Select one or more styles in the right-hand list, then click on the Copy button. Copies of the selected styles are inserted into the style set. You'll see that when you use any of the drawing tools, such as the polygon tool, the list of styles displays the style set plus one additional style for each object type. This is the global default style, which cannot be altered, so that it is always available on whatever computer the map is being displayed on. Apart from editing the project style set, you can go to the Resource Editors page, open the Styles panel, and there edit the system style set as well as create or edit a style set in a file. Styles for polygons, lines and points can all make use of symbols. MapMaker contains a set of standard commonly used symbols, but in addition you can create your own custom symbols. Still in the Resources Editor page, open the Custom Symbols panel. The easiest way to create a new symbol is to use the Import Symbol menu item. You can import a MapMaker drawing file as a symbol, or else use a character from a font. Choosing the font option, you need to choose from the list of fonts present on your computer. And then choose the character from the font. When you click OK, the symbol editor opens, allowing you to modify the symbol. You can give the symbol a name. Select the Edit tool and click on the new symbol. You can now use the Edit tool to manipulate the vertices of the imported symbol. If the element is a polygon, circle or rectangle, you can choose whether the shape is filled or not, and specify the line width. By default, each element in a symbol is defined as having no colour. This means that in a style definition you can specify a colour for the symbol which will apply to all the elements of the symbol. If you go into the style editor and create a new point style, you can choose your new symbol to be used by the new style. You can then choose a colour for the symbol. However, you can choose to specify a colour for one or more of the symbol elements, in which case the colour for those elements is fixed, irrespective of what colour you may later choose for the symbol in a style. Here we can draw a circle and specify the circle should be green. When we return to the style editor, the circle is green, whilst the rest of the symbol is the colour that we've chosen for this style. Here you can see that my new symbol has the green circle and currently the black outline. If I choose a colour for this symbol, red, then the red outline is shown but the green circle remains. On the subject of colours, in the Resource Editor page there is a section on colours. This allows you to create your own palette of commonly used colours that you can then use when editing styles in order to create a consistent look and feel across your style sets. Click on Manage Colours. Click on the Add button to create a new colour. Choose the colour, then give it a name. The panel on the right hand side shows how the chosen colour will look when used with a range of opacities over an assortment of different strong colours. Now, when you edit a colour anywhere in the program, such as when defining a style, the Colour Picker dialog box will include your list of predefined colours. Your list of colours can be exported to a file and subsequently imported on somebody else's computer in order to share a common colour scheme. Also under Colours, there are what we call quick colours, which can also be exported and imported. Quick colours can be used with the Picker tool. Returning to the map, if we select the Picker tool, you can see a palette of quick colours. Place the cursor over a colour, press down the mouse button and drag the colour to a polygon and release. The colour is then applied to the fill of the polygon. You can also drag a quick colour to a line, point or text object. To edit a quick colour, simply click on it. You can choose a hatched fill for when using the colour with polygons. By giving names to quick colours, you can turn them into a simple categorization system. An estate manager might assign a colour to each of a set of tree species. Using quick colours does not preclude using the style editor. With the edit tool, you can click on an object which has been assigned a quick colour, and you'll find that it's been incorporated into the object style definition and can be edited like any other style.